Reading practice number 5. Dear Mr. Worthington, colon, within the next 2 or 3 days, comma, my assistant superintendent, comma, Mr. Wilmington, comma, will forward to you a diagram prepared by my division for the placement of the tables, comma, desk, comma, and other equipment of the statistics department in our new quarters at the transportation building, period. Please study the diagram carefully and be prepared to discuss with Mr. Wilmington and me the installation of the electrical outlets you will require for your electric calculators, comma, electric typewriters, comma, and the other electrical equipment you have in your department, paragraph. Would it be convenient for you to meet with us on Friday afternoon, comma, September 15, comma, at about 3 p.m. question mark. If that time is not satisfactory, comma, please suggest a time that will be, period, sincerely yours, comma.